What's going on? So right here, right now, I want to show you exactly the custom audiences you need to be using on Facebook to get the absolute best results, whether it's for retargeting or building the most amazing lookalike audiences you could ever imagine. So go ahead and subscribe. And I got this question a lot inside the group that we have. So if you want to go ahead and join, check it out. For sure, do that. But let me jump into this new account where I can kind of like show you all of the different types of custom audiences that I build for whether it's a Shopify product or a mobile app or a service that we're selling. Any Facebook ads, like I'm looking at building these custom audiences because I know, number one, they're going to be really, really great to retarget to and always have ads going towards that custom audience. Number two, we're going to build really great lookalike audiences. So just a brief for those who are a little unsure of what custom audiences really are, essentially they're saying, hey, Facebook, look at all my data and tell me the group of people who do this action and put them in one audience that I can target again. Now, when I say this action, it could be, hey, Facebook, let me know all of the people who have visited my website. Put it into a custom audience for me that I can retarget. I can show more ads. Or, hey, Facebook, let me see everybody who has purchased my product. Or, hey, Facebook, let me see everybody who has added my product to the cart. Or, hey, Facebook, let me see everybody who's watched X% of my videos. So Facebook has all the data. They can make these audiences, and then you can retarget them ads or create really, really good lookalike audiences. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a custom audience for every single page on your website. So you just go to people who visited, and if you didn't see where I went to website traffic. You pick your pixel, people who visited. It can be cart for add to cart. It can be thank you for the thank you page. I'll go ahead and do that. So these would be purchasers. And this kind of depends on your website, but you would simply go to that page on your website and you figure out what's after the domain. So it might be domain.com/thank you. That's your thank you page. So those are purchasers, right? And then I like to do between 90 and 180 days. I'll do 90 for here, but I like to say, hey, 90 right there. And then you just keep doing this, right? So you go back and you say people who visited, my cart page. They added it to cart. So let me say ATC 90 days. And you can do this per product as well. You can add exclusions and all that good stuff. I just want to show you the ways I do this. And I do custom audience, and you do website traffic. And this would just be, like for example, if I had a Shopify product, I would just put the link of the product page in there. So I'm going to skip that one for now, but that one's very, very powerful as well. Now I want to make sure that this video is not too long, so I want to be able to show you all of the different powerful ways you can do this. Then you want to go to engagement. You want to make a custom audience off every single video, every little engagement piece of the video. So you can do 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 25 seconds, 50%, 75%, and 95%. And you can choose your videos here and just say, hey, boom, just like that, 95% of this video last 90 days or 365 days. Now you can retarget these people for 365 days because they watched 95% of your video. Or you could do 75%, or you could do 50%. I would highly suggest to do them all, and I'll show you why in a later video. But essentially, you can take all of these audiences here and create lookalike audiences, which are pretty much saying, hey, Facebook, find me 1 million people who look just like those people, right? We have a lookalike tool inside of AdShow that you can use, really nifty. Let's see what else we can make here. Custom audience, you want to do all the videos. You want to do lead forms if you have them. You want to do everything on your Facebook page. So anyone who visited your page, so page visitors, and these are really, really powerful. So don't I know this is a little time consuming doing this over and over again, but don't skip this part because it is extremely, extremely important. Engagement, And you can go through and do people who engaged with your post or ad, people who clicked any call to action, people who sent a message, people who saved your page. So your list, like if you're doing all of these, it's already at 10, 15, 20 different custom audiences. And it's really, really great to do that if you have a product that is winning. Now you want to do the same thing for everything on the Instagram profile. And then you probably won't have events set up, but you can skip that for now. So it's really Facebook page, Instagram profile, videos. Those are my top 3. And out of each of those, you can get like 5 to 10 out of each. And then all pages on your website. And then you should have this nice long list of custom audiences here. You can actually go over to AdChill, and with those custom audiences, you might have to hit reload. You can actually make lookalike audiences. So you can pull them in here and say, hey, based off of those, 4 custom audiences, in your case, it should be like 10, 15, 20 custom audiences. I want to make a lookalike audience 1 through 5% for United States, United Kingdom, pretty much any country, just like that, 1 through 20%. You can make 300 audiences. And then what's cool about it is you can then just say, hey, let me select one of my winning ads and apply those new audiences to those winning ads. And you can create, 10s or 50 or 100 different ad sets just like that to those new audiences. So don't overlook custom audiences here, guys. They're extremely important to scaling your Facebook ads, and I've never really seen anybody have huge success on Facebook without using custom audiences and later lookalike audiences. So if you want to learn more, make sure to join our group. There's a link below, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Look forward to that lookalike video that will be following this one. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.